Welcome back to our special series on electromagnetism. In this segment, we'll be discussing the power and potential of ground-penetrating radar, or GPR. We'll explore the feasibility of enhancing GPR to affect other devices and the associated technical and ethical considerations. Joining me are our experts, Brian and Ruth. Brian, let's start with you. Is it feasible to increase the power of GPR to affect other devices, such as motors and speakers, through walls and floors?
Increasing the power of GPR to affect other devices presents significant technical and regulatory challenges. GPR is designed to emit low-power electromagnetic waves for subsurface imaging and detection, not for interacting with or controlling electronic devices. Increasing its power beyond current design parameters would fundamentally alter its operation, and potentially make it less effective for its intended use.
What are some of the technical challenges involved in this?
To affect motors and speakers, a device would need to generate electromagnetic fields at specific frequencies and power levels that could induce currents in those devices. This is a different technical challenge from the pulse-based imaging of GPR. Creating such fields would likely require equipment designed explicitly for electromagnetic interference, EMI, or jamming, not for subsurface imaging. Additionally, GPR operates at specific frequencies and power levels regulated by governmental bodies such as the FCC to prevent interference with other electronic devices and communications systems.
Ruth, can you elaborate on the safety and ethical considerations of enhancing GPR in this way?
High-power electromagnetic fields can be hazardous to humans and animals, causing heating of biological tissues, potentially leading to burns or other injuries. Regulations on electromagnetic radiation are in place to ensure public safety. Using a modified high-power GPR to affect electronic devices would likely be illegal and dangerous. From an ethical standpoint, intentionally disrupting or damaging electronic devices is not only unethical but also likely illegal. Such actions could have serious legal and ethical implications.
So, would you say that the practicality of using a modified high-power GPR for these purposes is questionable?
Absolutely. The practicality of using a modified high-power GPR to affect electronic devices through walls and floors is highly questionable. There are existing technologies designed for electromagnetic interference or jamming, but these are heavily regulated and restricted due to their potential for misuse and the risks they pose.
Furthermore, intentionally using such technologies to disrupt or damage electronic devices could have severe consequences, including legal repercussions. It's important to consider both the technical feasibility and the broader implications of such actions.
Thank you, Brian and Ruth, for shedding light on the challenges and implications of enhancing GPR for other uses. In our next segment, we'll discuss electromagnetic interference, EMI, its effects, and the potential impacts on electronic devices and human health. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the wonders of electromagnetism.